trick to multiply two-digit number by two-digit number. So let's start. Take a example. 78 multiply by 98. Now this we can write 90 plus 8, and we can multiply first 78 multiply by 90 and 78 multiply by 8. I already made one video, trick to multiply two-digit number by one-digit number. Link is available here. 78 into 90 is 7020, and 78 into 8 is 624. Now we will do addition. So it's 7020, 624, 4467, 7644. Let's take another example. 99 into 47. We can write this as 40 plus 7, and this is easy to multiply first by 40 and 99 into 7. So 99 into 40 is 3960, and 99 into 7 is 693. Now we will do this addition, and 3960, 693, 3564. I think this video will help you in calculation and give you correct answer easily. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button for latest update. Thank you. Have a nice day.